How to delete all watch later videos in YouTube at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can delete all watch later videos in YouTube all at once. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, simply open up your YouTube. Go to youtube.com and log in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, you can then go to your profile. Tap on the U icon right here, and if you scroll down, you should see the watch later as well. So tap on view all. After you tap on view all, you'll find all of the videos. And if you go ahead and tap on the three dots right besides the video, you can start removing from watch later, but that can be quite tedious when you have a lot of videos. So what you can do now is tap on the three dots on the top right of your browser. Scroll down, there you should find extensions. You can visit your web Chrome store, and after you're on your Chrome store, you'll need to search for an extension. So the extension would be YT Watch Later Assist and hit enter. After you search for that, you'll find YT Watch Later Assist and you'll need to add this to Chrome. So tap on add to Chrome and add the extension. After you add the extension, you'll need to let it download. There you can see it's been added. Now, if you tap on the extension option here, you should find YouTube Watch Later Assist. Now you can head back here, reload the page, and after you reload the page, if the extension's not working, tap on the extension and fix it. Now here you will see remove all videos due to the extension. Tap on remove all and it should reload and it should start working. So there you can see removal started. It's removing it one by one, and finally everything has been removed. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.